Guarding the paint, he doesn't like closing out. Excuse me, holy shit. What's up, right side? Bless you, thank you, I'm good, I'm good. Oh, I see. Excuse me. I didn't see the legs, I can't lie, I didn't see the legs. Nah. There was no push on the back, but he ran into his feet. Discord. And... excuse me. The game's being shown over there. Excuse me. What is your... I don't know what's happening. Excuse me. I don't know what's happening with Bam. He's just super passive. You guys talk shit to each other when they play. Holy fuck. My god. Why am I sneezing all of a sudden? Where'd that come from? Best times rookie to legend. Excuse me. Facts, man. Take me back. But what do you think Nico Harrison is doing right now? What do you... Excuse me. Excuse me, chat. Excuse me, holy shit. Damn, bro. ADC got mad at the map. Oh my gosh, excuse me.